The duck and the dog. Come on, Flash. Here comes the duck, chasing after Flash. As Flash walks beside of me, the duck walks beside the Flash. Flash, go get it. Go get it. Stupid ducks. Here he comes. He's coming after you, Flash. He's coming up on you, boys. It's an attack duck, Flash. Watch him. He's an attack duck. I want you to keep your space, buddy. Here he comes again. Here he comes again. He's gonna sneak up on you, Flash. Okay.